Hello everyone, today I'll be performing the hand washing. Okay, hand washing, it is a vigorous short rubbing together of all the surfaces of the soap, lathered hands, followed by rinsing the stream of running water. So the purposes, we have purposes to prevent the spread of microorganisms and to reduce the risk of cross-contamination among clients. So we have the materials, we have the tissue paper, towel, orange stick, the soap dish or the soap bar, and the liquid soap. Next is we will proceed to the procedure. So first, we need to file our nails, clean under nails, and short nails are less harbor of microorganisms. Long nails make it it's hard to clean the nails, and it should be performed at least at the start of the day before reporting for duty. Then discard the orange stick to the trash can. Bar. If the soap bar is accidentally dropped, so repeat the procedure. Because the sink is contaminated, so if the soap bar will drop, so the soap is contaminated already, so repeat the procedure. And soap lathered emulsifies fats and aids cleansing. So if you use bar soap, so you need to return the bar soap to the soap dish or soap bar to the soap dish, and avoid touching the soap dish because the soap dish is contaminated. Now we need to use the firm rubbing movement. Caused by firm rubbing with circular motion helps loosen dirt and remove microorganisms. Interlacing our thumb and fingers cleans interdigital spaces. The firm rubbing movement, palm to palm, right palm over left dorsum, and left palm over right dorsum. Palm to palm, finger interlace. Palm to palm, finger interlock. Rubbing your all fingers or vice versa. Then rubbing the thumb of your fingers in a circular motion, vice versa, and then from rubbing rotational movement from wrist going to your elbow, vice versa, wrist, elbow going to your hands, and make sure that your hands is lower than your elbows. Because in rinsing your hands or your arm, so from cleanest to dirtiest. Then avoid splashing. Next, use towel or tissue paper and wetting your fingers. So I will use my towel, and from hands or fingers, tap rotationally going to your elbow, vice versa. Because your fingers or your hands is now considered as the cleanest part of your arm. Then, after that, off the faucet by using the tissue paper or your towel. So I will use a tissue paper. And make sure not to touch the faucet because the faucet is considered as contaminated. So always keep your hands clean.